Okay, I made this video because I really got excited about what I found. I went back to the Philippines, checked my old house, and checked my old stuff, and I found something that really got me happy and all that. It brings back memories, and I just want to share this to you guys. I found this. Okay, yeah, it's the View Master. It's original. Look at the reel, it's still there. So I'm really excited right now to check if this actually works. Look at that, original 3D View Master. That's what it's called. And of course, check this out. The Wow, look at that one. Look, oh, all this from Schumart, SM Schumart. It probably costs like looks like 25.95 pesos each. So, look at that one. Oh my, I'm really happy. Viewmaster International something got the tape on it. I mean, it's open. But I really want to share this to you guys. Look at the date. 19. Well, it's not showing. 1982. Can you see it, guys? It's 1982. Wow, it says 3 reels. Wow, check that one. Oh, wow. Wow, man. Wow. Viewmaster. Where's this from? Let me see. Made in USA, right there. Made in USA, Oregon 97207. Wow, okay, let's check this out. Okay. Can you see it, guys? Hold on. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. E.T. I know I got the Spider-Man, but I cannot find it. I would really love to see if I can find that Spider-Man and share it to you guys. But anyway, let's check this out. Oh! Okay. Yeah, it works. Hold on. Man, I cannot focus. Sorry, I'm sorry. Let's move on. E.T. Oh shit. Wow, this is really clear. Amazing. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm losing focus here. Shit. Okay, let's try another reel. Oh. Hold on. Okay. Alright. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at this. Iconic scene right there. Won't focus. But anyway, let's check this out. I knew you have to find this thing right there. That should be in the center. Okay. Wow. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. It's getting stuck. Okay, it works. Wow. Check this out. Spaceship arrives. Parting. Oh, it says parting. Oh, it's gone. ET. Okay, let's try another reel. ET. It's not showing. ET. Oops, it's getting stuck. Okay, I guess that's it, guys. Wow, I'm really happy. Um, wow. Yeah. If you can relate, guys, just make a comment. I guess. I'm really happy that I found this. Like I said, it brings back so many memories. One of the cool toys back in the 80s. Yeah, it won't focus. Okay, there you go. Try to take the Viewmaster. Thank you.